From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, I'm student meteorologist Christian Lasher here with your Monday morning forecast. So to start us off, we'll have the almanac data for the state, for State College. Today it is 46 with a low of 30 degrees, which is pretty close to the normal, with no chance of beating the record of 72 and 3. And if you see down here, the sunrise is at 7:28 with the sunset at 7:14 p.m. It's much later than it has been recently because of daylight savings. So if you're one that enjoys the evening daylight, then this is good news for you. As we look into the current conditions across the state, it's pretty scattered. There's a few clouds throughout the area as this system moves out of our hair. We'll see a few scattered snow showers, mostly in the northeast area over here. It's saying up here too, but just in the northern region, across some of the higher elevations as well. As we get to the current conditions for most of the region, we'll see this system up here moving out of our region with a few of the showers in the northeast region as well. And these clouds will start to diminish as we get further into the day. And here for the temperature and dew points, it is a pretty cold morning this morning with temperatures in the 30s, in the 40s for some regions of the southeast area, but for the most part, high 20s to low 30s across most of the state. So bring a jacket this morning. With wind speeds in the area, they'll be picking up, and we'll have a high wind advisory actually for today. So there should be sustained winds between 15 and 25 miles per hour with gusts almost up to 50 miles an hour. So be careful out there. And for the radar and satellite, we can see those lingering snow showers up here in the northeast and then a few spots in the higher elevations across the state. And once we zoom out to see the bigger picture, there is really not much going on for the next few days. So we won't really see anything until the system that should get into our midst on Thursday. So as we watch, there's not really much going on. A few scattered clouds here and there, but for the most part, not much going on for the next few days, with mostly just sunny skies and warmer temperatures. But as we start to get into Wednesday, you'll see these clouds starting to accumulate over here, and then that's when our next system will start to cause us a little bit of trouble with a little bit of rain over here. So Wednesday we'll see a few scattered showers, and then as we get into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we'll have a decent amount of rain as the system passes through. So for our future temperatures, you can see it's pretty cold as of right now when we start, but it'll warm up pretty significantly over the next few days, and then it will stay in this warmer trend as we get closer to springtime. And again, here are the wind gusts for the area. So it is pretty windy out there. Be careful if you're driving. Make sure that you watch out for any falling debris, any trees, branches, or anything across the road. Just be observant of whatever you're doing today. But as we get further into the day, those winds should diminish quite a bit. And then tomorrow, of course, those winds will die down pretty significantly, and we won't have to worry about high winds anymore for the next few days. And for the next 12 hours, of course, there are those winds that I've mentioned already in the morning. But then it will start to get warmer, and we'll have sunny, clear skies for the rest of the day. Here is the wind alerts for the area. Of course, there's high winds on the eastern 2/3 of the state, so be careful out there. And the temperature outlook for the next few days, we'll see it start to get a lot more like spring with highs up into the high 60s for Wednesday and Thursday, and then cooling down a bit as that rain enters our region on Saturday. So today it's 47, mostly sunny with those high winds that I mentioned earlier. Tonight we'll have clear skies, 38 degrees, so it's pretty chilly, but definitely warmer than what we've been used to over the next couple days. And then tomorrow we'll have abundant sunshine, 62 degrees, so be sure to get out there and enjoy it before that rain comes in. Thank you. I'm student meteorologist Christian Lasher.